No. To have. You guys, they are everywhere. They are crawling everywhere. Okay, I need to find another spot to film. This is too intense for me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. How are you? In today's video, I want to compare two totally different balloon garland kits from Amazon with two totally different price tags. You guys, the difference between prices, mind-blowing. I went on Amazon and I searched for most expensive balloon garland and least expensive balloon garland. I want to take those two balloon garlands and compare the quality of balloons, compare how many things they include in the kit, compare everything, how long they will last, is it the same result, does it worth paying so much, or you just go for the least expensive one. You did ask me if it's worth buying Amazon kits. You guys, I think it's worth it because they already pack what you need and you receive it and you just make the balloon garland. Reading reviews is very helpful. Don't underestimate reviews. Go and read and decide for yourself. Kits are very great for parties and saving money. That's my honest opinion to you guys, because making your own balloon garland can get expensive. If you've been following me for quite a while, you know that making balloon garlands with different colors, different balloon sizes can get expensive. My balloon garlands can cost me from $50 to over $100 just for balloons, and I will give you guarantee that you will use every single balloon that you purchased. You know, sometimes I buy black, but I'm not using a lot of black, but it's just accents of black, so the rest of the balloons are laying around. But buying a kit, it's different. They send you a kit, you make that kit, and it works for you. So that's what I think. If you want to see how these two garlands will compete against each other, then stay tuned and let's go. Wow, it's so reflective. All right, I just logged into my Amazon account. Let's see. Balloon garland kit. I already see $29.99. Probably put this in my cart just in case. Be careful when you're looking for garland kits. Sometimes this is just a kit without balloons, just these balloon strip and balloon tying tools, but it's not like your kit. I see $13.99. I'm gonna save that too. We'll see if we can find something cheaper. I found something even cheaper, and this is $12.99, and I saved that as well. Oh wow, I found something even cheaper than $12.99. This is $11.98. I'm saving that. Let me try to filter this. Let's go from high to low. We'll see if we're gonna get any luck. Why do I have shoes here? Oh no. It's $158. I've never heard of a kit so expensive. For $158, I can make 3 garlands. So I'm left with, by 1 cent, this latex balloon garland wins. So I'm deleting this one. And I'm left with these two. Let's purchase this and wait until this whole thing will arrive to my house. Here are my two kits. By the way, this is not sponsored. This balloon garland is least expensive balloon garland. It cost me $11.99. I went back to look at the kit and it costs even less right now. It's $9.99 for 105 pieces. This is 6-color balloon garland, 10-inch balloons, and looks like by reading and looking at all the information, they do include balloon strip, glue dots, and ribbon to help you hang your balloon garland. This kit over here, I had no idea that the kit can be so expensive, you guys. I paid $158 for this box of balloons. I hope this box of balloons will prove me wrong and it will blow me away, that I will fall in love, and you know, I would not even think that I paid $158 This kit is 15 feet long. They do have options for different lengths. They do include 11-inch balloons, decorating tape, and instructions how to make this balloon garland. You guys, they didn't include hand pump. They do sell it separately. I went to check it out. How much will that pump cost? And that pump will cost you additional $30. I think it's a lot. Let's go construct this. Very excited to see and compare. Let's go. Let's start with our least expensive balloon garland kit. Looks like I was right. They did include this balloon strip, but they didn't include glue dots or ribbon. By touching these balloons, I feel like they're gonna be really good quality. They are soft and nice. They do include 5-inch as well. So I thought only 10-inch, but anyways, I am blowing them up individually. I'm tying them individually with my balloon tying tool, and I'm using my electric balloon pump to save a lot of time. These are really pretty colors, by the way, just saying. Take our first balloon. So I'm taking my balloon and inserting through the bigger hole, just like that, and then sliding into a smaller hole, letting go. And let's take another balloon, doing exactly what I did with my first one, inserting through the bigger hole, sliding into a smaller one. And that's all you do with your balloon strips. I am not twisting my balloon strip. I am inserting all of my balloons on one side. It's up to you. You can twist, but inserting balloons into one side, I feel like it will give you more fuller look to your balloon garland. You might want to skip holes once in a while. So try to feel your balloon garland, see if balloons are popping out. If they do pop out, then skip holes. That's where I want to stop with my balloon garland. I left some bigger balloons and 5-inch balloons. I'm going to take my glue dots and fill in spaces. To hang my balloon garland, I am taking extra fishing line, wrapping that extra fishing line around my balloon garland, and then tying that extra fishing line to a pinned safety pin on my backdrop. For a close-up, I will link a video where I actually show and explain more how I hang my balloon garlands. Let's go. I'm taking my glue dots. You guys use more than one glue dot per balloon. How $11.99 looks. You guys, in your case, it's going to be $9.99. They lowered the price for some reason. None of the balloons popped. None of the balloons had holes. Nothing deflated. Nothing was wrong with any of what I had in this kit. Good quality balloons. Like the colors. Very unusual. Very pretty. So now let's go and see what $158 will give us. I am ready to construct my expensive balloon garland. Looks like we have 2 bags of balloons, and then, you guys, very interesting, balloon strip. Very soft, very flexible, and very different from every other balloon strips. I'm going to blow all the balloons individually. I'm going to tie them individually. I'm excited about these confetti balloons. These are shredded confetti balloons, so very interesting to see how they're going to look. Okay, let's go. The quality of balloons are very soft, very similar to my $11 balloon garland. time to deal with our confetti balloons, there's two ways that you can make your confetti stick to your balloons. You can use high float. I don't like using high float because high float makes your balloons a little bit cloudy after a while, and I prefer to take a cloth and make static inside of the balloons. Let me show you what I mean by that. They're actually pretty staticky. I'm kind of surprised. Usually confetti kind of fall down. Create static. I'm taking my cloth and start rubbing this cloth on your balloon. That way you'll create static inside, and give it a shake. And here you go. Here is the strip that was included in this kit. Look how flexible this balloon strip is. Never seen anything like this before. I guess let's start with gold, and let's insert this gold balloon into that hole, and then try to snap that knot into this hole. Okay. I don't think I like this balloon strip, even though it's very flexible. It is very hard to put your knot through the hole. I don't know, it just doesn't give you that grip. So I rather use regular balloon strip. What I want to do is to take glue dots, or you guys, you can use a low temperature glue gun or double tape or anything that you want to use to fill in spaces with extra balloons that you have laying around. Let's go. Is how my most expensive balloon garland looks. It looks definitely a little bit different from my least expensive. These gold balloons, they do add a lot, and these confetti balloons, they do add something more interesting into the garland. Quality of balloons are really, really nice. These gold balloons are very interesting. They're incredibly soft, but they're good to work with. I lost 2 balloons. 2 of them had holes. Other than that, you guys, I don't like that balloon strip. I just don't. It's way too soft and it's harder to work with. Other than that, you guys, I don't think I have anything bad to say. And let's see how this balloon garland performs compared to my least expensive one. Here is how balloon garland looks on a third day. This is my $11 balloon garland. It looks great. I don't see a lot of difference, and nothing popped, nothing deflated. Really good quality. So let's keep an eye on it. Day 3 for my most expensive balloon garland. I don't see any difference from day 1. It's performing very, very good. Confettis are still static to my balloon walls. Pretty good so far. Day 6 for my least expensive balloon garland. It's performing so well. I am very, very surprised and pleased about this balloon garland. Look at this. Not a lot of changes. Yes, balloons became a little softer than they were, but I'm telling you, 6 days, not bad. And here's how my most expensive balloon garland looks on a 6th day. I don't see that much of a difference. Both of the garlands performed really, really good, and I am pretty happy. Filming this outro outside just because we're having some kids in a house playing and running around, and I didn't want to stop them from making memories just because I need to finish this video. Full foiled. You guys, they are everywhere. They are crawling everywhere. Look at this. Really? Okay, I need to find another spot to film. This is too intense for me because I need to finish this video. Here are my final thoughts about these two balloon garlands. You don't have to spend a lot of money to have one beautiful, good quality balloon garland. That's it. I didn't see difference in quality whatsoever. Balloons are great, good quality in both of the kits. No. To have, you don't have to pay so much money to have one beautiful balloon garland. You can always pay $11, $10, $20 and have just as beautiful balloon garland. If you want something different from your balloon garland, you can always elevate your garland. What I mean by elevating is to spend a little more and buy extra confetti balloons, orbs balloons, or anything unusually shaped, and just add that extra into your balloon garland, and it's gonna look just as beautiful as your most expensive balloon garland. The only difference I saw in those two kits, that most expensive balloon garland had shredded confetti balloons and some chrome gold balloons. That's it. Oh, and different balloon strip. That balloon strip, I didn't like that one. It was way too soft and it was uncomfortable to work with. The least expensive one had basically the same color scheme as your most expensive balloon garland, but didn't include those confetti and chrome balloons. Balloon strip from least expensive balloon garland was so much better. It gave me more control of my garland, and I would choose a least expensive balloon garland over this $158 balloon garland. I hope this video is helpful. If it is, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more comparison videos, leave your thumbs up again, and let me know in the comment section below that you want to see more of comparison videos. I hope you'll have a wonderful day. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before leaving, and I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye.